Meet Dan's Aquatic Ecology project, a 4-part field guide to the science of the sea. For single-page features, built entirely in HTML. Hand-drawn animations. No logins, no tracking. Every page reads itself aloud in a Microsoft Neural voice. Open Feature 1. The scale of the sea, 11 orders of magnitude on a single screen. From a water molecule, to a copepod, to an apex predator, to a 30-meter blue whale. Click any tick to focus. Scroll into the depth tour. 10 zones of the ocean food web. Every organism clickable. A guided dive at the press of a button. Switch to a thesis grade slide deck on marine restoration, coral fragmentation, mangrove planting, oyster reefs, seagrass meadows. Then freshwater restoration, beavers, dam removal, urban green infrastructure. And a 13-chapter deep dive on scientific diving. Made by Dan Close for his HSU master's thesis at Cal Poly Humboldt Marine Sciences. Link in the description below, and thanks for taking the dive.